Welcome to the promo video for the brand new release of this AI coloring book creator and the AI Mandala generator. Now, these two apps have been in beta for about 6 months, and we fixed every single bug to the point where you can literally create an Amazon KDP book in under 5 minutes and then upload it to Amazon. Now, the best part about this is you don't even have to write up the description of the book or the intro page or anything like that. Literally, with a few mouse clicks, you end up with a Word document file of a coloring book or mandala book. You name it, it will create it. Now, I don't want to show you the entire workflow in this video. That's for a separate video, which you can watch by clicking this button here. But to find this button and to watch this instruction manual, click on the link in the description and you'll be able to reach this page and you can start creating coloring pages and mandala pages. See, entire books, downloadable books. I'll even show you right now a download button right here, which once you click this button here, it will instantly download a book and you will end up with a file that looks something like this. Where is it? Right in the promo. Okay, I found it. Here it is right at the top, and let it download the images, of course. So as you can see, this was created automatically with AI. That includes this font and all of these details and the name and the intro page and even the page break in between each image. And the reason why you have these is so that the coloring in doesn't bleed through to the other pages. So this is all now automatic. You don't have to do anything. This will do the entire job for you. You don't have to lift a finger, and this will do this for you. This is a type of imaging quality you can expect from this app, and you can pump out coloring books. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to make a passive income, create digital assets like this, this is the tool for you. I had a friend last week that I spoke to, and I told him, do you realize you could become financially free and you could lay down in bed and make money every month without doing anything ever again? And he said, how would you do that? And I told him, just by creating coloring books and mandala books and posting them on Amazon. One of them at least will go viral, and that way you will end up with a passive income which will actually become an active income, and you can then quit your job and start enjoying life. It's enough of working so hard. It's time to make money using these tools, using AI. And if you're not using AI, you're wasting time, because you could use AI to really become a really wealthy person. So make sure you get started right now, and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more. Bye for now.